Alright, so we are continuing here. My battery's pretty low, so let's see if I can get through this whole video before my camera dies. We have all the data entered. List 1, list 2, list 3. We're going to do our regressions. So I'm going to do list 1, list 3 first, remember, because I just want to make sure when I go back and use it next time that I don't accidentally have the wrong lists. So calculate option 4 regression, list 1, list 3. Now I am going to store this regression equation. I'm doing the second one, so I'm going to store it in Y2. So I'm going to go into the vars menu right here next to clear, go over to yvars, select function, and I'm going to select Y2 to store this. This is going to save me typing the equation in to my Y equals menu. So I'm going to store it into my Y equals menu in slot 2. Then I go down to calculate. Okay, so I'm going to write my model down. This is the second one, so this is the women. So E or W of T is going to equal 0.1858 T plus 5.4016. Then let's find E equals M of T for the men. Okay, so stat, calculate option 4. List 1, list 2, change that to list 2 using second 2. Go down to store regression equation, go into vars, over yvars, enter function. I already stored in Y2, I'm going to store this one in Y1. I'm going to put it in my Y equals menu, and then I'm going to calculate. So 0.1042 T plus 4.9744. Okay, check it out. Y equals menu, my equations are both right there. Fantastic. I don't need to type them in, and I can just go to zoom stat. Okay, here are the two equations. You can see how well the regression is. You can kind of see that the intersection is going to be previous to those two here. So I'm going to change my window. I need to change the x minimum. I'm going to make it like -20 just to get it pretty far from where it was. It was at 6. I'm also going to change the y minimum because I might not be low enough in my graph. So I'm going to make that one -10. So let's see how that looks. Equation and equation. Oops, that's not at all what it looks like. Because my intersections were in the other quadrant. So it looks more like this. I've got equation, and this is going to be super tiny. I can't draw. It looks like this. Like all my silly drawings. I will try one more time. It looks like I have equation and equation. There we go. And you can see the intersection point. Apparently my drawing skills, I wasn't like looking while I drew. There we go. It looks like this one. So I want to find the intersection point. So second, calc. Option 5, intersection. First curve, enter. Second curve, enter. Move it over to calculate. There we go. And our intersection point is at -5.235, comma, 4.4288. So 89. Turns into the 9. There we go. Last, we just need to interpret this. We know that our starting year was 1980, so if I add on to 1980, -5.2 plus 1980 will put you in -5.235 plus 1980 puts you in 1974. It's easy to think it's 1975 because you're subtracting 5, but you got to subtract that 0.2 also because you're still a month or two previous to the end. You're in 1974. Okay? So just a final conclusion here. In 1974, the number of men and the number of women enrolled in U.S. colleges was equal. Then what value was it equal to? They were both equal to 4.429 million. $4.429 million. In 1974, the number of men and women enrolled in U.S. colleges were both equal to 4.429 million. And so we did that entirely on the calculator. So just another example of what we can do with the graphing calculator. Right, and that's the end of the section.